It's Greg from Traxda again. We got our wheels and tires on this Ford Ranger, and this is a 275/70 R17 tire, which maths out to 32.2. It gives us still about a half-inch clearance on the back crash bar, and on the front it just will touch this plastic dam, which you can trim off. I just cut this off myself. It's a dealership truck, we're not going to touch it, and it just grazes the crash bar, so you'll hear it in a full crank pulling out of a parking spot situation. So that's 32.2, you tire size guys. So wheel, we stole off Kirby's Tundra there because he was at lunch and didn't notice. And we think it's about a 0 offset or maybe a plus 10 or 20. It's set out quite a bit more from the stock wheel. It gives it a nice look, and it gives us some clearance on the spindle. The other stock wheel is quite tight on the spindle, so if you put a wider tire on it, you may get some trouble. Now we got a good extra inch in there. So I think this thing looks super sweet. We'll be shipping it this week, so if you want one, put your name on. And if you want this truck, Holmes Tuttle Ford will have it for sale.